Hi, I'm Brenton West. People often ask me what is silversmithing and is it the same as jewellery? I describe silversmithing as generally making something in silver, something quite large, whereas jewellery would be more earrings and rings and that sort of thing. However, silversmiths can make jewellery and jewellery can make silver items. Silver can be as small as you like, or you can make a great big tray or a bowl. So silversmithing is the forming of silver into an item. Silversmithing sounds serious, but it needn't be. You can practice with base metal like copper or gilding metal and make items for virtually nothing, and when you become skilled enough you can then make things with silver. I am a trained silversmith. I went to college for 3 years to learn my craft, and that was generally making things from scratch. However, since I've been on the repair shop, I've done a lot more repairs, and now the main part of my work is repairing things. The skills you need to be a silversmith: you need to have an artistic mind, you need to be practical, and you're already nearly there. You then just need some training and you'll soon be turning out lovely pieces. Top 3 tips for anyone who wants to get into silversmithing: get some training, go to college. I went full time, but you could maybe do an evening course. Buy good tools. Some of my tools are 45 years old and still as good as the day I bought them. And the third tip is, if you're not quite sure, ask someone who knows. I've always repaired stuff, and since the repair shop came along, I've been in my element. And I think the fact that the repair shop has inspired millions of people to not throw stuff away but fix it has been great, with repair cafes popping up all over the place and people actually having a go at fixing their own items. I think the most common thing that I'm asked to repair is an item with a dent in it, because silver is frail and gets knocked about. So knocking dents out is my number one repair. Top 3 mistakes. On silver, polishing with brass polish. You'll wear your silver away, you'll wear the hallmark away. Don't do it, only use silver polish. If you've got a dent and you knock the dent out, make sure that you just gently press the dent out, because what you don't want is a dent going outwards and stretching the metal. So be very gentle when knocking dents out. And the third thing, if you're going to solder something up, make sure you know what metal it is first. There's metals that look like silver that will just melt as soon as you put a torch near them. My book Silversmith Secrets has lots of tips on how to repair precious items. However, the skills are transferable, and you could fix maybe your toy car with the skills you've learned. I think a good starting point would be to fix some cutlery. You can get bent forks, bent spoons, knives that are coming apart quite easily, and the book shows you how to fix those. Some of the more common tools you might need for repairing, say, something like this spoon would be a hammer with a curved face on it, a pair of soft jawed pliers for bending the rim straight if the rim was bent, like this one, a file for filing the edge smooth, and a soft leather sandbag for doing your work on. If you have all of those things, you'll be able to fix this spoon no problem. I've been asked to do some amazing repairs. I've repaired a gold Nobel medal, I've repaired Olympic gold, silver and bronze medals, and I've even repaired Stirling Moss's Mille trophies from the 1950s.